Well, we've aligned, Elevated Roofing has aligned ourselves with GAF. GAF is the largest manufacturer of shingles in the country. And GAF is it's a premium shingle. They're the most expensive shingles, but we've decided that we're going to put the best material, best products on our roofs. And that way, in the long run, it helps us because we don't have the warranty issues. We don't have the material defect issues that some of the other manufacturers have. So we really strive to do everything that we can as good as it can be done. There's nothing another roofer can do better than what we do, because we really do everything on every roof as good as it can be done. We use the best materials, best underlayments, the best shingles, the best ventilation systems that you can do on a roof. And so it's good for us because we can hold our head high and say no, we don't have an A roof, a B roof, and a C roof. We do nothing but A+ roofs on every single job, and that just kind of separates us from the other roofers in town.